I teach family learning classes for ESOL to mums who are refugees or seeking asylum. I've been working in partnership with the African Community Centre for nearly 10 years and just started another group in partnership with Swansea Asylum Seeker Support. Learners, including new arrivals in Swansea, are signposted to our classes by our partners. And what makes these classes stand apart is that the ACC and SASS, our partners, provide wonderful creche workers. Many of my learners are incredibly isolated at home because they're at home with small babies or small children, and they haven't really had opportunities to get to classes or to integrate or make friends. So coming to my class really helps them break down those barriers of isolation. My classes are like a pathway into full-time ESOL classes in either Adult Learning Wales or Gwobrau College. Some of my mums have gone on to do teaching assistant training, dental hygiene work, hospitality and care work. So my classes are just a step giving them that little bit of extra confidence to move on. I've written several new units for family learning ESOL classes. One unit on events in the school year, and that's introducing our learners to the way things happen in the UK school year, which is often quite different from in their countries. Also, we did one on childhood illnesses. And I'm currently piloting a new Agori course that I've written, designed for behaviour management of children, including boundaries for IT devices. What's lovely is although my learners have come from a range of countries, cultures, educational backgrounds and English levels, some have no education experience at all. And the mums will peer support each other by encouraging, sharing ideas, demonstrating, translating and interpreting for each other. One of the things I love is at the end of coffee break, I have to tell my mums to stop gossiping because it's just lovely that they're making those new friends and contacts. I mean, I love it. Basically, I love it. I love meeting new people from all over the world, really, from virtually every continent in the world. I mean, that is such a privilege. It's just a joy to do what I do.